On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram requests. So to fix this problem, it's actually very easy than you thought. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and the networks and then go to the the airplane mode and enable it. After you enable it, just wait a few seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and disable it again, and then do the same thing with the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it. Go back, and this time go to the apps manager and go to the apps. Now here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it and click here on this force stop option and go to the storage and click on clear cache. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe.